Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to change the color on the Camry 2019. So first we have to do is we need to go to the menu and then to the setup. And here we have theme setting. So we press that and we have like 4 options that we can choose. For example, we can try this one or we can try the other one. So for me, like, I always choose this one because like it's show the board like all dark, and I like it. And for some Camry that have like red color inside the car, they can choose this one, and it's gonna look like really cool. So we can see how cool it is. You see, like it's black and red. And if we go to the menu again, everything here is changed. So yeah, it's easy. You can just go to the theme setting again and you can change it how you want it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.